Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy Floss, back again with another video. And today we're going to take a look at the OnePlus AIRVOOC 50 watt wireless charger. Now you can pick this one up online. I'll throw the link up in the description. The price on this one is 50 bucks. Let's get right into it. First things first, shout out to White Shoes, back in the building.
I love my white shoes. I love my white shoes. I love my white shoes.
Calm down. Okay, so we got the OnePlus AIRVOOC 50 watt wireless charger. 50 bucks. Now OnePlus claims you can charge your OnePlus 12 from 0 to 50% in 23 minutes wirelessly and 0 to 100% in 55 minutes wirelessly. So what does that mean? If you got a Galaxy or an iPhone, the fastest you can charge these up wirelessly is 15 watts. So that means with this wireless charger, you can charge your OnePlus 12 faster wirelessly than you can charge these up faster wired. Okay? Now, if you got a Galaxy or an iPhone, the maximum charging speed you're going to get wirelessly is 15 watts. Okay? But if you got a real phone, let me stop. Right? But if you got a phone like a OnePlus 12 or an Oppo or Xiaomi, these phones are capable of 50 watt fast wireless charge. Now, one quick side note. If you watch my videos, you've been seeing the Spigen dual wireless charger right here. Now, this one is 7.5 watts for 100 bucks. That price is TGH. And if you don't know what that means, that's too goddamn high. Now, we got this Spigen one right here. This is 15 watts for 80 bucks. That's also TGH. Too goddamn high. This is 50 watts for 50 bucks. Okay? Now, again, if you got a Galaxy or an iPhone, you can use pretty much any wireless charger because the maximum speed you're going to get is 15 watts. But if you got a phone that's capable of fast wireless charging, you might as well get a fast wireless charger and take advantage of those wireless charging speeds. All right, so let's go ahead and go through the specs real quick. Now, the max is 50 watt wireless charge. Okay, now this is instant charging any way you want it. You got silent nighttime mode. Okay, if you got a OnePlus, it'll automatically switch to nighttime mode. You got turbine air cooling with multiple safety precautions. Okay, 50 bucks on this one. Let's get and check this out. Okay, here we go. Now the classic red and white OnePlus presentation. I love that. And 50 bucks. The price is right. Okay, let's see what you get inside. Okay, never settle. This is going to be a charger. Okay, you got your usual books and shit. Plug them and file them. It does come with the USB Type-C to USB-A charging cable. And that's pretty much it. Now you're going to need an official charging brick in order to get this to work. So if you got a OnePlus 12, you can use that charging brick. But OnePlus also sells the fast charging brick for 50 bucks. All right, so let's go ahead and pop this out. This is why it's important to have a phone that comes with the charging brick in the box. One less thing to buy. Okay, so if you got a OnePlus 12, you're already good to go. All right, so here's how the charger looks. Has the nice aluminum trim around the sides. Okay, this is a 60-degree angle. Okay, so your face unlock is going to work with this right on the table. USB Type-C charging. You got all your vents underneath the bottom, going to keep it nice and cool. You got 2 rubber grips. That's going to keep it in place in your table. All right, so let me go ahead and set this one up. All right, so I got this plugged in. We got the official OnePlus cable and charger. I got a OnePlus 12 right here, completely dead. You see I'm holding the power button down? No juice. All right, so we're going to drop this on, and we're going to start the timer when the battery is at 1%. Okay, so we got to give it a second. It's completely dead. Let's let it boot up. All right, so the phone just booted up. We had 1%. Let's hit the stopwatch. Now, OnePlus claims you can charge this to 50% in 23 minutes. Okay, so we're going to use the 5-minute margin of error. All right, so let's go ahead and let this charge up. I'll play with shoes off camera. All right, so we just crossed the 10-minute mark. Remember, OnePlus claims you can charge this phone from 1% to 50% in 23 minutes. So right now, we at 35%, and it's been a little over 10 minutes. So this is looking pretty good so far. Let's keep it moving. All right, check this out. I am genuinely impressed. Now remember, OnePlus said 50% in 23 minutes. Look at this. We just hit 50%. Let's get and take this off, okay? We just hit 50% in exactly 16 minutes. Now, I've never seen a company underhype a product. This is incredible. So we don't have to wait the full 1 hour to see how long this is fully going to charge. This is 50%, okay? 50% in 16 minutes. That is incredible. This is what you call fast wireless charging, okay? Samsung, Apple, Google. I just got so hype I almost knocked my camera down. Hold up, let me do that again. I need to do that for the dramatic effect. Where we at? Let's do that again. Samsung, Apple, Google. This is what you call fast wireless charging. Look at that. 50%. 50% in 16 minutes for $50. Now remember, the speaking version, okay, this is the dual charger, $100, 7.5 watts. Okay? This is $80, 15 watts. This is 50 watts for $15. Do the math yourself. Okay? Now, if you got a Galaxy or an iPhone, I would still recommend buying this because you'd rather have more power and not need it than less power and need it. Okay, so if you got your Galaxy, you can still use this. Okay, charge up your Galaxy. Everything's going to work fine. You can charge up your iPhone. Let's go ahead and drop this on. Okay. Charging up the iPhone. Okay, happy Valentine's Day, by the way. But if you got a OnePlus, you got an Oppo, you got a Xiaomi. Now, real quick, the video's already over. You seeing is believing. Okay, I already proved it. But check this out. We got a completely dead Xiaomi. Okay, let's try the same thing with this Xiaomi because this is one of my favorite phones also. Let's go ahead and fast charge this one up too. We're going to wait till 1%. Let's go back to the clock. Okay. Okay, let's go to the stopwatch. Okay, so we're on 1%. Let's go ahead and hit start. And let's see what we could get in 16 minutes with the Xiaomi phone. But I'm already sold on this charger for $50. If you got a OnePlus 12, this is a mandatory accessory. All right, so I just did some thorough testing off camera. And ladies and gentlemen, if you got a phone that has 50-watt fast wireless charging, that's exactly what you're going to get with the OnePlus AIRVOOC 50-watt fast wireless charger. Fast wireless charging. Now, you've seen it for yourself. From 1% to 50% in 16 minutes. That is incredible for $50. On a scale of 1 to 10, I'm giving this a major go. And for $50, as Bob Barker would say, the price is right. Anyway, this is the OnePlus AIRVOOC 50-watt fast wireless charger. Hit me up in the comments. Let me know what y'all think about this one. Oh, one more side note. Now, for everybody asking me about the OnePlus 12R, I'm dropping that video this weekend.
He has over 2 million subscribers, so give him a look. You may like it, and it could be very useful. Take care of yourself and each other.